We are approaching one of the best seasons in the crypto industry, and there is excitement in the air. The 2024 bull run is just a few months away, and tons of bullish predictions and claims are being rolled out every single day. Bitcoin looks well positioned for this season, and the same applies to the altcoins as well. However, are there other options to weigh? Anytime you hear the term crypto bull run, what comes to your mind? Of course, to a seasoned investor, it's the time to make big gains. However, crypto bull run is more than just a buzzword in the world of digital finance. It is a phase of significant importance which occurs when the market experiences a prolonged period of rising cryptocurrency prices, often characterized by high investor confidence and increased buying activity. It's not just about the upward trend in prices, but represents a broader shift in market sentiment, often fueled by a plethora of factors. We've been through different cycles of the crypto bull run. After Bitcoin's creation in 2009, the first notable bull run occurred in 2011, when Bitcoin's value reached $1 for the first time, and from that point it peaked around $32, showcasing the potential of decentralized digital currencies. Moving on to 2013, two major bull runs occurred. In that year, Bitcoin's price soared to $266 in April, driven by the increased media attention and investor interest. Later in the year, it pumped again, reaching over $1,000, triggered by factors like the popularization of Bitcoin in China and improved market infrastructure. Fast forward to 2017, which is marked as one of the most dramatic, the bull run saw Bitcoin's price reaching nearly $20,000. This period was characterized by the initial coin offering craze, mainstream media coverage, and a significant influx of retail investors. The 2020 to 2021 rally was triggered by a combination of institutional investment, extreme levels of liquidity in the entire financial markets due to central banks printing excessive amounts of money because of the pandemic, and increased interest in decentralized finance. Then Bitcoin reached new highs, surpassing $60,000 in 2021. Bitcoin's influence on the crypto bull market is closely tied to its 4-year cycle theory, driven predominantly by the cryptocurrency's halving events. Occurring about every 4 years or every 210,000 blocks, these events cut the Bitcoin mining reward in half, hence a reduction of the rate of new Bitcoin generation. This halving mechanism is important to Bitcoin's design, as it's intended to create scarcity and control inflation, thus reflecting the extraction of a natural resource becoming more challenging over time. The theory suggests that this reduced supply, either in the face of steady or increasing demand, drives up the price of Bitcoin, often leading to a Bitcoin and crypto bull market phase. The first halving in 2012 saw Bitcoin's price increase from about $12 to over $1,100 in the following year. In the same vein, the 2016 halving preceded a significant bull run, culminating in Bitcoin's late 2017 peak near $20,000. The most recent halving in 2020 also led to substantial price gains, with Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs in November of 2021. Nonetheless, these bullish phases are not permanent, hence the reason why we are always caught in the dump. Post-halving surges are often followed by corrections, leading to bear markets, and this has been the pattern. This cyclical nature emphasizes the speculative aspects of Bitcoin and the broader crypto market, underlining the importance of market timing and risk management for investors. Now, the question on every cryptocurrency investor's mind is, when is the next bull run going to occur? By analyzing current trends, upcoming events, and market sentiment, we can attempt to estimate when the next surge in the cryptocurrency prices might occur. The halving event is in 2024, but it's difficult to predict whether the gains will follow immediately. In a recent post on X, renowned crypto analyst Miles Dutcher remarked that altcoins could gain strength ahead of the Bitcoin halving in mid-April next year. According to him, if history repeats, is Bitcoin's dominance following the same pattern from the last cycle. In 2019, dominance topped out in September before alts gained steam into the halving. In 2023, dominance looks to be exhibiting a similar pattern, which would indicate a reversal into the halving. Meanwhile, another crypto analyst highlighted a bullish trend for the entire crypto market, stating, "The total market capitalization for crypto is still seeking for continuation here. Higher lows, higher highs, which means that dips are there to be bought. The next target remains $1.8 trillion. Nevertheless, Bitcoin has always been the leading indicator for the entire crypto market. There are pieces of historical data to reference. The normal flow in the crypto market is that if Bitcoin does well, then other coins in the crypto market follow. This could be the reason why executives in the cryptocurrency industry call the start of a new bull run, with a growing number of voices calling for a fresh all-time high for Bitcoin in 2024 above $100,000. Bitcoin has rallied more than 120% in this year, with many optimistic about the surge proceeding into 2024. It feels like 2023 was a year to get ready for the bull run that is yet to come, but the sentiment is very hopeful for 2024 and 25. Pascal Gauthier, CEO of Ledger, told CNBC in an interview. There have already been some bold calls for Bitcoin in 2024. It began with Standard Chartered, which reiterated an April price call that Bitcoin would hit $100,000 by the end of 2024. The bank said that this will be driven by the approvals of numerous ETFs. Also, Matrixport, which bills itself as a crypto financial services firm, released a note projecting that Bitcoin would reach $63,140 by April 2024 and $125,000 by the end of next year. These reports are definitely screaming bullish. Now, based on our inflation model, the macro environment is expected to remain a robust tailwind for crypto. Another decline in inflation is anticipated, prompting the Federal Reserve to likely initiate interest rate cuts, Matrixport said in its report. It added, combined with geopolitical cross-currents, this healthy dose of monetary support should push Bitcoin to new highs in 2024. It's going to be an altcoin season as well. Ethereum and Cardano are set to enjoy the big gains in the crypto bull run. They lined up after Bitcoin. Cardano ADA has been among the best performing crypto assets this year, experiencing a nearly 70% price increase. Multiple experts believe that the coin will maintain the positive trend in 2024, with some envisioning that it could hit a new all-time high in the following months, and it could be easier with the Bitcoin halving event fast approaching. Dan Gambardello, founder of Crypto Capital Venture, argued that ADA could spike to $11 shortly after the Bitcoin halving, whereas its market capitalization could explode to the astonishing $400 billion. Some analysts have suggested that Cardano's token could reach a new peak 1 year after the Bitcoin halving, according to Fiery Trading. Since the pattern has now been confirmed, we can take a look at the next bull market top, assuming that the bull market top will be somewhere in 2025 and that ADA will continue to follow this pattern. We can make the assumption that ADA will top somewhere above $35. Just as bullishly, Ethereum's support level has been climbing steadily ever since the middle of October, meaning that if the coin is to lose ground at any point during the current rally, any dips or dumps are likely to be small. Plus, compared to September and early October, Ethereum's trading volume is extraordinarily healthy, standing at about $30 billion in contrast to levels as low as $3 billion. Now, Ethereum's fundamental indeed remains unparalleled among the vast majority of tokens, with its blockchain accounting for 56% of the entire sector's total value locked in. Ethereum has also enjoyed some highly significant adoption news this year, with PayPal launching its Ethereum-based stablecoin and Coinbase releasing its own Ethereum Layer 2. This all points to a steadily rising Ethereum price over time, with the altcoin set to hit $3,000 in the next couple of months. When Dan Gambardello was sharing his latest take on Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, and Xpost, he said that bullish setups have emerged on all three cryptocurrencies' charts. According to him, groundbreaking moment, Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum setup for a bull market. He shared that Bitcoin correcting soon would be similar to historic price trends in earlier cycles, yet that this correction would be a common move for the leading cryptocurrency. He shared the possibility of Bitcoin consolidating at the 42,000 resistance level. If this speculation comes to fruition, Gambardello believes that it would be an indication of a new era for the market driven by exchange-traded funds and institutional interests. This looks good, but he's also bracing for a correction. Talking about ADA, the analyst predicted that the altcoin could soar to 45 cents if it breaks out in the next few days. Following this, his longer-term price target for ADA is between 80 cents and 85 cents. From all indications, Gambardello's main reason for his bullish outlook for ADA is the fact that Cardano's ecosystem has blossomed during this bear cycle. It's going to be a rare bull run, so bring it on. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.